Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today again we'll take a look at the euro currency since situation stands so that we have to update our view day by day. Currently it's really a very important moment and situation is building on the markets since a market starts to see the political risks that come from the administration of the Donald Trump. And while we just have prepared the new analysis in the morning, later in the session, Donald Trump started giving the hints on the possible currency wars and how he said that we are sitting here as the bunch of the dummies, while the Germany, China are devaluing their currencies. Why we should follow the strategy of the strong dollar, because it's not really stands in favor of our economy. And that was really currently, you know that currently traders and markets starts to see what risks really carry some big shifts in the United States policy, because it involves not just some external policy and geopolitical situation, but it also impacts on the financial strategy. And as in the beginning of the year, and while the Donald Trump hasn't become yet the president, it was a bit blur and unclear what really will happen, and maybe that will not happen, will happen nothing. But right now, every day, some new surprises are coming, and since we see really strong reactions on the markets across the board, not only euro currency, but in the gold market, you could see the same reaction. As market reacts strongly on this, just the statements, so just some speech. Although the subject of the speech is very important, but it still, the speech doesn't carry yet any clear and particular steps in some direction. And as you see that the market reacts strongly on the speech, it means that's really bringing a lot of uncertainty. And that's really surprising action, because markets starting to get the first signs what Trump intends to do. And this political uncertainty is coming to life. So they just do not know what really is going on and what to expect. They do not see some real picture that stands around the whole picture, how it will happen, what will be in general, what Trump intends to do. Just he said something today, something yesterday, tomorrow he will say something else, and so on. And every time this brings some surprises. That brings nervousness to the markets, and when the market's analysis starts to appeal to the different signs and starting to explain this action, some events that really has no big relation to what's really is going on, this just gives you understanding that mostly markets do not understand what is going on. So when the dollar has dropped yesterday on the speech on the devaluation from the Donald Trump, they appealed to the speech, but today morning market turns down a bit, and they started to talk that the United States Treasury yields have not supported this rally. That's why this probably dollar is starting to grow again. So when the market do not see the core, the major background of the action, and starting to explain different events by some minor factors, such as the United States Treasury yields in current situation, it means that they do not have the whole picture and understanding what's really is going on, what's really could happen. That's why, guys, as you understand, making an analysis right now is the thankless job, and we need to stick with the clear setups, clear patterns, and as soon as we will get it, we could act accordingly. Trying to predict some minor action, it's right now is very difficult, because it will be a really tough week. We haven't got yet any significant statistics. We haven't got yet the Fed statement, but so already we see the significant volatility just by the Donald Trump speech. That's why we will not focus on some minor swings on intraday charts, but mostly we will be watching for some a bit larger patterns. So on the daily chart, as we said, we are watching for these head and shoulders. That's why it brings the major background for the daily situation. As for those of you who would like to go in short, as for those of you who would like to go long, if you would like to go short, the first opportunity that you could get is some reversal point around the neckline, when the market will start to form the right shoulder. But this should be accompanied by some significant reversal patterns around the neckline and hitting the major targets. If you would like to go long, you probably could get the opportunity at the bottom of the right shoulder. Currently, guys, I do not see some better possibility for taking the position, because if you go along right now, I'm speaking on daily traders, it brings you a lot of uncertainty what will happen here. Maybe market will turn down immediately, or maybe it will complete 1618 target. Anyway, the room to the significant resistance area is very small, and your risk-reward ratio will be not very attractive. Besides, you right now do not have any strong support on your back that could protect your position, that could let you to move your stop to the break-even. You could see even more that trend has shifted bullish here. Market has accelerated right now. Instead, a few pips lower of the yearly pivot point, probably it will be hit. Besides, take a look at our ABCD pattern. Previously, we have taken a look at it on the 4-hour time frame chart. It also could be visible on the daily chart. So market has hit 100% target. Retracement now stands between the 100 and 1618. And as market will hit this area, it also will move slightly higher and will be very close to the 1618. That's why, as you can see, market could form here with a reversal swing. So if market will form this upward action top, will be greater than this one top, this swing will be greater than this swing down, so call as the reversal swing. And only after that, market could start some bounce. So keep in mind this target. It's probably Euro could try to hit it first before retracement will start. That's why, as you can see, we're standing in some moment, in some position where it's not very comfortable to take any trade right now. So yes, we are making analysis and trying to follow the situation and understand what is going on, trying to make and predictions, some analysis on the intraday charts, but it doesn't mean that the overall situation is ready for taking the position. As I said, if you're bearish, wait for the hitting of some area of the neckline and completion major targets. Also, some patterns on the intraday charts should be formed. If you're bullish, your better opportunity is taking the position right at the bottom of the right shoulder, if it will be formed. So currently I do not see any better positions for possible trading on the daily chart. What we have on intraday charts, guys? On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have in progress this large butterfly that has the 108.46 area target. This will be probably the next target. On the upper direction, guys, take a look. The market has hit our former destination point of our free drive that was slightly cancelled, let's call it in this manner, because that was our grabber, and market has dropped on Monday below this low. That's why it's not quite the pattern that we have right now, but the butterfly is still the same. The initial pattern on the chain of the free drive patterns, you can see this butterfly. So that was 127 extension. Right now market has hit the 1618 extension of this minor butterfly, and actually that was the target of our free drive pattern. So also take a look what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. It's also bullish signs. On this drop, the weekly pivot support one has held this market on the downside. And precisely from the weekly pivot support one, market turns up, move above the weekly pivot point, and take a look, move above the weekly pivot resistance one. It means that we stand in the bull trend on the 4-hour time frame chart. It's not just a retracement up, sometimes some greater trend. This is indeed the bullish trend, and that was the retracement on this bullish trend. That's why, as we have the targets above it, it's 1618, 108.46, also 109 area, we have target of this ABCD on the daily. It means that the chances on the upward continuation seems greater right now, at least based on the technical picture. from the trading point of view, we really do not care much what will happen between these targets, particularly speaking between this area neckline and between 105 when we're expected to get the bottom of right shoulder. That 2 points where we start to speak about the taking the position. While market is fluctuating between them, it's not really interesting, but we need to make the predictions, make the analysis what to expect in today's session. And based on the behavior that we see here, it seems more probable that upward action will continue. So today, probably it could happen that 108.46 area could be touched. Also, this will be an area of the yearly pivot point, guys. It's very important. On the hourly chart, we see market stands at minor retracement. It's two possible levels that could be tested on the way down. This 107.60 approximately for it, first support, and confluence support 107.32. There's probably two levels should hold the market from the downward action. So retracement could happen, but that's two levels to watch for as potential destination of retracement before the upward action will continue to the next destination point. I mean, this 161.8 of this large butterfly. It's also interesting to take a look what's going on with the oversold, overbought on the daily. Yes, market is not at overbought. That's why deep retracement hardly will happen on the hourly chart. Probably minor retracement only could happen to this or that area. So that's our view on the market. So wait the better points for taking the position despite what direction you're following. Points that we have discussed on the daily chart. On the today's session, we expect first is minor retracement, probably back to this previous resistance. It's 107.60 area, first level, or maybe 107.30 circumference on the hourly chart, and then probably upward action should continue. The first destination will be 108.46. That could happen even on today's session.